Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, leather seats, cooled seats, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.